Hey everyone, Nocturne Industries here. Today we have a video going over the assembly of the Daisho bridge. It should take only a few minutes to do it. We'll show you the whole process, so let's get into it.
You on my mind a lot, don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in, from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2 we don't need no pause. Here with Misty, we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Copy my steel, face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel, face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Yeah, that's every day. Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Yeah, that's every day. This sound like Argentina.
Okay, here we have a couple Tantos, a Daisho bridge, and the components that you'll be receiving with the bridge. You'll have lanyard wire, leader sleeves, O-ring sets, magnets, silicone, the bridge, washers, IPD sets, and tensioner screws. For tools, you'll need a torque driver with a T10 bit, crimping tool for the leader sleeves, snips, and tweezers to assist you in removing O-rings. Let's start with the lanyard wire around your battery cap. If your lanyard has a loop like what you see here, you have the correct lanyard wire style. If your lanyard is permanently fastened to your Tanto, go ahead and snip it off. I'll begin showing you how to properly fasten your lanyard wire to the battery cap to make it compatible with the Daisho. First, you'll take the pre-cut lanyard wire and feed it through the leader sleeve. Lasso your first loop around the recess on the battery cap. Then take the excess and bend it back towards the leader sleeve. Feed the end of the wire into the leader sleeve. You should have 3 lanyard wire segments in the leader sleeve total. Then crimp the leader sleeve using your crimping tool. Be sure to leave enough play so the wire can spin freely around the battery cap. Choose the O-ring size that allows the battery cap to make a strong contact with the circuit when twisted on. You should still have good seal and should be able to power on your unit with the proper O-ring size selected. Be sure to grease your O-ring before trying to test power. You will need magnets to be added to your Tanto if they are not already. You will see a slight groove on the insert that will be on the side of the lanyard and facing up towards you when inserted. Apply a small to moderate amount of silicone either in the cavity or on the insert itself. Place the insert magnet down in the cavity with the lanyard groove facing the lanyard hole and push down into place. Next, slide the Daisho hinge post into the Tanto battery terminal. Apply the washer to the rear of the Tanto underneath the tensioner plate. Take your battery cap and feed the looped lanyard first through the lanyard hole in the Tanto. Then the loop doubles back over the battery cap and pull. Slide your other Tanto onto the other Daisho hinge post. Tensioner screws will be torqued to 6.5 inch-pounds. It is recommended that you place a dab of blue Loctite on the threads before torquing to 6.5 inch-pounds. IPD stops are optional. The IPD torque is slightly higher than the tensioner screw. The groove on the IPD stop should be facing you. Place the components in this order: screw, washer, IPD stop. Apply a generous amount of Loctite to both the screw and the inside of the threads. Torque the IPD screw to 8.5 inch-pounds and let it cure for 24 hours before articulating your housing. After that, you should be all set. Go ahead and put your battery into your Daisho and test for functionality. The IPD should have enough friction to give you a solid stop, but still be adjustable if you force past the IPD stop points.